你好, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about the final yu. When you see the English letter U with two dots on top of it in Pinyin, the pronunciation is yu. Yu sound is like the double E sound in the English word be, but with rounded lips. Try saying the double E in be, but with rounded lips. Yu. Try. Now, pucker your lips like you're ready to kiss or mimic the mouth shape of a dory fish. Say, Be careful, do not move your lips and remember to keep your tongue steady the whole time. Say, Now, mimic the mouth shape in the video carefully and repeat after it. Pronunciation exercise for yu sound. Let's combine the initial n, the final yu, and the third tone, which is the lowest pitch in your voice range all together. N, yu, nu. Repeat after me. N, yu, nu. Nu, nu, nu. Nu is female in Chinese. Question. When you see the English letter U with two dots on top of it in Pinyin, how would you pronounce it? The answer is yu. Are there any topics that you're interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.